January 11th, 2021, Daily Math Review number 2. Select the two statements that are a unit rate. So not 1, not 5, not 4, not 3, 2. Select the two statements that are a unit rate. A scientist used 2 gallons of liquid for every 7 hours he works. So 2 gallons for every 7 hours. 2 gallons for 7 hours. Is that a 1 in our denominator? Nope. How about the next one? An industrial machine is able to make 8 pens in 1 second. 8 pens, 1 second. Oh my goodness, is that a denominator of 1? Yes, it is. So that's going to be one of our answers. So I'm going to check that. Now we need 2. All right, let's see. Okay, so next one. A movie theater went through 2 pounds of popcorn per 1 hour. So 2 pounds of popcorn for 1 hour. Yes, there's a 1 in our denominator here. So we are going to check that as yes. And then last but not least, a baker used 7 bags of flour for every 9 days. 7 bags for 9 days. Nope, that is not correct. And did we select 2? We did select 2, and that is going to be it for our DMR number 2. Great job.